Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new benefit from SuperEx crypto exchange platform. Guys, on this channel I normally bring to you guys benefits from SuperEx, and here is another important benefit that you can just lay your hand on SuperEx, just trading some new crypto on the spot trading system. Trade select token and win up to 1000 USDT. First pair, virtual, big time, this and lot more, grass, ETH, and lot more on this platform. These are what you have to trade, guys, and earn from this platform, which is very simple. SuperEx Spot Trading Spree is live. Trade selected token and win up to some 1000 USDT. So you have to trade any of these selected token here and win up to 1000 USDT. $200 shared pool plus first place get 1000 USDT. First 500 new trade get $10 future trial fund, and this stands from 11th to 20th of this month, April. So you have enough time to trade on this platform. The first you have to do, guys, is to create an account with SuperEx. I drop a link in this video description. Click on that link and it comes up like this on your browser. You can use your laptop, you can as well use your mobile device to create an account or register. Is very simple. So click on register button, follow the on-screen process, guys, and complete registration process is very simple. When I've created your account, it comes up like this. You have to log into your account. So once you log into your account, you have something like this: wallet, name, you have space, CRC, a lot of options here. So we have to trade on this platform, which is spot trading. Click on this button, hover your mouse here, then click on spot trading here. You can as well come to the wallet here, then click on main markets, then you can access spot trading. So let's click on spot trading from this place. So guys, here is the spot trading that it loads up like this. So you have access to the trading here. You can see under trade, you are under spot trading. Meanwhile, before we move on, guys, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Always endeavor to do your own research. Now that I've done that here, you come back to this place and select any of these tokens you want to trade. You have grass here, you have Ondo, you have IP, you have a lot of them. So let's take grass as a case study. That's the first you have to do. You come to this place, you over your mouse and then you type in grass or any of the token that was selected, then you click on the grass. Now that I've clicked on the grass, just allow this to load. So now it loads up like this. The first thing you have to do, that you've done that, make sure that you've added some USDT to your account. Guys, I know you can do that, and if you find it hard to add USDT to your account, just let me know in the comment section and I will make a video for you guys on how to add USDT to your SuperEx token using any of your wallets. Now you have it here. You've selected the trading pairs you want to use from the option given to you in this place. So we've done that. Now the next thing is to come over to this place. Here you see line 1 minute, 5 minutes to have access to what has happened to the markets based on the time selected here. So you want to take a look at what happened to the market in the last 1 week. You can see that here grass has just been listed on this platform, and here is what has happened. You can as well take a look at what happened to grass, or what is the market of grass in the last 5 minutes. So you have access to a lot of time frame here. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to do is very simple, guys, is to come over to this place here under trade. You have market here. Now you have to come back to this place and select which of these markets you are to trade on. You can see here, guys, markets, and you have spot market, and if you click on this arrow, you have spot market and you have spot limit. So market is just you'll be able to buy from the current price of this token. If you select spot market, you can see the spot market here. Now what it means that you're going to buy at the current price of grass, and grass is $1.15 $0.77 here. You can see it here. This is the current price of grass, and just enter the amount of USDT you want to invest into this place, or you drag this, it brings you into this place and click on buy. You'll be able to buy this token at the current price. But if I were you guys, I always endeavor to buy from the limit order. Limit order is a very simple and easy strategy to buy token. Based on what you see here, guys, you can see that the price of this token is coming down, and you've predicted that the price of grass will come down to some extent. So all of you guys is to enter the amount, the price you want to buy this token into this place. You can see this place is editable. The current price is $1.57, and we have it at $1.5754. So you enter the amount you want the system to trigger your trading into this place, and you enter the amount of USDT you want to buy into this place. Then you'll be able to get the amount. You enter the amount of USDT here, rather, then the amount of grass you get display here. Then you click on buy. Then to sell on this platform is very simple, because when it comes to spot trading, it's a process or it's a system whereby you buy token, any token that lists on this platform at lower price and sell at higher price. Now that is how to buy grass token on this platform. The next one is to sell on this platform. Then come to this place and click on sell. Now you've bought your token at this price. You may predict that okay, the next few days that the price of this token is going to $1.78. Now you come back to this place as well. Under spot, you produce $1.78 here. The number of grass you want to sell, you put it here. Then the amount of USDT you get in returns comes up here. Then you click on sell grass. So this is a simple process, guys, on how to buy and sell on this platform using the latest information from this and which I have covered in this video. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when I drop another important update on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.